In this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPhone from announcing who's calling you out loud, which can be embarrassing in quiet settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Apps. Now look for Phone. It has a green phone icon next to it. In the phone settings, look for Announce Calls and tap on it. You'll see several options here that control when Siri announces incoming calls. You have four choices. Always means calls are announced everywhere. Headphones in car announces only when connected to audio devices. Headphones only is just for wired or wireless headphones. And never completely turns off calls announcements. For most people, I recommend selecting never to completely disable the feature. Tap your preferred option and you'll see a check mark next to it. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer announce calls according to your new setting. Test it by having someone call you to make sure it's working as expected.